morning. So it's Wednesday and we are here in Miramar Beach.
Right next to Destin.
And we wanted to be here because of your good friend Brenda, wasn't it?
Yeah, Brenda Weatherby. Before she passed away, we were talking about coming here together, and she wanted to show me Destin.
She was a very special friend.
Yes, and I miss her dearly.
So this day is for her. We're gonna actually going to go hike. So we're gonna go test out our new hiking shoes.
We'll see you guys later.
Bye-bye. Good morning. So we made it out here to Navarre, I'm not sure what it is.
So you're asking me to pronounce it when
yeah,
I'm having trouble with English?
I think the natives say Navarre. But anyway, Navarre Beach, we'll call it that for now. At the fishing pier, you can see the fishing pier off in the distance over there. This is like the most perfect day to ride bikes. It's unbelievable.
We're still wearing gloves and stuff because just in case we get like a little bit of headwind or, you know, never know.
Yeah, and of course with Hurricane Sally that came through around September 16th, this is like ground zero where it hit. So we're gonna be seeing how far we can get on the road. I know it's blocked off for cars, but I think it's open for bikes and runners,
joggers, pedestrians. So maybe we'll get to ride down there and check out what happened to the hotel that we're supposed to stay at.
Yeah, we'll see if we can get that far. Anyway, bye. We're coming up on the end of the road, I guess. Right up here it goes into the Gulf Islands National Seashore, and it's closed for cars, but I think it's open for biking and hiking. We'll see if there's a sign. Stop
No.
there's bicyclists on it. Let's go for it. No.
Oh, we should take a picture of us, a selfie in front of the sign, since we're already dismounted.
Yeah. All right. It's like the perfect temperature. All right, go for it. Is this beautiful or what?
It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm loving it with no cars.
Yeah, me too. What a beautiful, beautiful place for us to have our lunch. Okay, so it's 11:48. We're through with our little snacky lunch. Let's try riding on the trail, but if we want to later on, we just go out on the road.
Okay, sounds good.
And away we go. Yep, we're making good time. It looks like this is the sand that they had to bulldoze off of the path after the hurricane. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling really good. Via de Luna. Santa! is our poor hotel that we had reservations at. And it is closed because of Hurricane Sally, doing remodeling, renovations. What can we say? We may do.
Let's see what my travel said. Hold on. 17.5 miles.
17.5 miles. So that also means we got 17.5 miles to go back.
Yes.
And we want to do it before dark. Complete with little aliens. We'll earn that pint today. We did it! Yay!
We did it!
Yay! So it is time for us to go have some lunch.
So hungry. All we have all day was a little snack at the beginning by the beach.
By the beach, by the beach, by the beach.
Where is our first time at the beach together.
That's right. That's right.
And what else?
First time dipping our feet in the Gulf of Mexico together.
Water, yes.
That's right.
It was cold.
Yeah, it was. But it was a great ride. Beautiful weather. Couldn't have asked for better weather. The temperature was just perfect the whole time.
Yes.
And I'm so proud of you and what you did. That was fantastic.
We'll see how we feel tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah. Earn your fuel.
Yes.
Bye-bye.